Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are fine and doing well. This is me, Hafiz Rahmatullah, your languages instructor. Dear learners, as you know that in the previous first part, 18th, we had got the 3 questions before we start the tenses into the passive voice. The first question, we learned about the 8 questions and there's answer. And today we have gotten the second question, that is how do we use it and how can we make the sentences with the passive voice. So let's get started. For English course, passive voice with majhul. The first thing that we know that is the receiver and actor. So dear learners, firstly we are going to focus on the past participle. So the first we are going to always use the past participle into the passive voice. So the second thing that we have with the passive voice, that is the be. Be word should be combined with the past participle in the passive voice. And be word changes. It depends on the tense of a sentence. So dear learners, this is the first examples that we have gotten. The professor teaches the students. So teaches is the present simple tense. So with the present simple tense we have the be verb are. So are is used with the past participle, and the students are taught by the professor. So got it? This part is a little tricky. Let me make some sentences more for you, and it's quite hard. For example, I eat an apple. An apple is eaten by me. So I eat an apple. It is the present simple. So it needs the is into passive voice. Like an apple is eaten by me. Got it? Was the past simple tense. I did the work. This is the past simple tense. The work was done by me. So here we use the was with the past simple tense. Is being is the be word of the present continuous tense. She is learning a lesson. A lesson is being learned by her. So is being used here in the present continuous tense. So it depends on the tense. It changes, but the past participles can be not changed. It should be in past participle. The verb should be in past participle. Like here we have some example: eaten, taught, done, written. So dear learners, it is the structure of the passive voice. Let's also talk about it into Pashto language. Grant Sakoko, then Mustas last general, the one question that how do we use it? That how do we use the passive voice? And how can we make the sentences with the passive voice? Last actually, mostly Hamasha, third param of the verb is small passive voice. Third param of the verb is small, past participle is small. Oh, that is the past participle number three. But what the na auri, second the na auri, first what the na auri, Hamasha past participle mustasu is small passive voice. Oh, that be what the that is but leisure. وقتی بدلیشی که مشتاسو tense بدل. Like as a مشتاس for example, the professor teaches the students. Professor teaches the students. Teaches the present simple tense. The present simple tense the para must be one is RM له. No is RM legal kiji the task. جملة مش وارو professor teaches the students. Was but students وارو subject or professor or object like students are taught by the professor. But in misal I eat an apple. They Yosef Khram. Yosef Masra for the an apple is eaten by me. But misal Makaroki, present past simple tense. Makaroki, I did the work. The work was done by me. That was present continuous. He is learning a lesson. Lesson is being learned by him. The Yosabak was is the Kiri. Yosabak was is the key. No down structure than the para, women some Basili, women Nasawi. Let's look 3 more options that we have for using the passive voice. The first thing that we have the transitive verbs. What's the transitive verbs? Transitive verbs need object. Like I write. What do you write? This sentence needs object. This sentence needs an object. So you must select the object for this sentence. I write a letter. I write a notebook. I write whatever you put here in the object will be fine. So I write a letter. So writing is a transitive verb. Transitive verb is called in Urdu peri matadi. I speak. What do you speak? You speak Pashto, Persian, English, Urdu, Korean, Japanese, Spanish. What do you speak? I speak English. So this speak verb is a transitive verb. It needs the object. Got it? So let's come to the last example. That is I learn. What do you learn? What do you learn? I learn a lesson. I learn English. I learn anything you want to choose for the object would be fine. So transitive verbs need the object. Remember it. So the second option, that is intransitive verbs. What are the intransitive verbs? Dear learners, fi'l lazim. It's called fi'l lazim. Intransitive verbs do not need object. Intransitive verbs do not need object. For example, I sleep. Sleep doesn't need object. I sleep. You sleep. You sleep. We sleep. He sleeps. Got it? I talk. Talk doesn't need the object. I talk. I talk. You talk. He talks. I come. Come is a word of intransitive. It doesn't need the object. Like I come, you come, he comes, we come. Got it? There's many more verbs. They do not need the object. So dear learners, remember it. The intransitive verb sentences can be not changed into the passive voice, but the transitive verb sentences can be changed into the passive voice. Here we have the last option, third option. For example, subjective, objective. Like I teach her. Here, her is we can say objective pronoun. So when we change this sentence into a passive voice, we change this objective pronoun into subjective pronoun. When we make the passive voice, like she is taught by me. Got it? He, him, she, her, I, me, they, them, we, us, you, it, and name to name. Like here we have students, name to name. Got it? Transitive verb intransitive verb. Transitive verb. Transitive पहले मतारी वाला जुमले मुश्तासो 25 काड़ा वाले सो 25 काड़ा वाले सो, लेकिन intransitive वाला वर्बो वाला जुमले मुश्तासो न स्वाड़ा वाले 25 के. Like I sleep. How can you change this sentence into the passive voice? I think it's unchangeable. So let's come down to the third option. I said خارج مشتاس by active voice the objective pronoun ولا أو passive voice كده غا objective pronoun و subjective pronoun تعارض. لك مثال داري I teach them. Here them are in passive, in active voice. Them are the objective pronoun. Now I swap the sentence, I exchange the sentence, and I change the we can say I change the objective pronoun into subjective pronoun into passive voice. Like they are taught by me. Got it? So dear learners, it was our today's lesson. I hope it made some sense for you guys. Hopefully you got a kick out of today's lesson. Dear learners, I hope you found it useful. If you did find it useful, I would appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe the channel. I want to keep doing what I'm doing in order to help more and more people like you. I will admit English is not an easy language, but I'll try to make it as easy as possible for you to learn. Until the next time, take care. Bye.